Hi, this is Master Ken. Our Prime Minister Ismail Sabri has just announced that the minimum wages will be 1,500 and it starts from May, 1st of May, and right now it's March. So we have 2 months to prepare. And how does it impact the company? So let's discuss how can this be analyzed. So let's say you have 4 staff and the salary currently is this. So if your boss asks you how many staff that their salary is less than 1,500, so and you can take a look at here one by one and they say, oh yeah, there are 2. But is there a better way to analyze it? The answer is yes. You can just use the count if function, highlight the range, and use this less than 1,500, and that will solve your boss problem. But your boss may not ask you this question. Also, they're more interested is that what is the change? How does it impact the company? Now we have to look at this. So first, if the salary is less than 1,500, so you need to top up. What's the difference? And those who are above 1,500, then there will be no difference. But those are not. You see that? So how do you solve this? Well, you use the if function. The if functions will help you to check whether this salary is less than 1,500. If that is, then we calculate the difference and followed by the rest. Now, next thing is that your boss will want to know what's the total adjusted salary. So that will be just adding up these 2 values and you get 1,500. And the overall will be increased to 12,000. So what is the percentage of increment, right? Then your boss is interested to know that. So you tell them 5%. And the formula to calculate 5% is this: minus the old salary, total salary, and divide by the total salary, and that is the increase of 5% of your total cost, and that is 5%. Yeah. And I hope this has helped some of the HR profession to analyze this easier. And thank you. God bless you. God bless Malaysia. God bless Asia.